All right, guys. Hey, good morning or good afternoon. This is just going to be a really quick video today because I have in your slideshow that I'm posting, I have 3 videos here. If you just click on the images, that will give you more examples. Okay, so today is a review of yesterday's skill where we went from improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you reread your notes that you have in your journal before you start today's assignment and before you watch these 3 videos. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to pause me right now to do that, but please make sure you go back and look at your notes. Really, today, guys, I'm just going to work some example problems for you and then let you get started on your assignment. Okay, so we're doing the exact same thing. We're going from an improper fraction to a mixed number, and this is a reminder for me to show you an exact example. Okay, so remember, a mixed number, an improper fraction has a numerator that's larger than the denominator. So let's just do a couple of examples here. Let's do 16 over 3. Okay, so yesterday we talked about how you can write it as a division problem or you can do it in your head. So I'm going to do it both ways this time. So remember, your numerator always goes inside the house and your denominator is on the outside. So how many 3s go into 16 without going over? 3 can go into 16 5 whole times, so that's your whole number. And then you have to find out what's left over. So 3 times 5 is 15. So there is 1 left over. That is your numerator, and your denominator stays the same. Okay, and remember, you can check this by going the other way that we practiced last week. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Denominator stays the same, so your answer is correct. You can also do this in your head, depending on how comfortable you are with your multiplication facts. So 3 goes into 16 5 whole times. 15 to 16 is 1. That's 1 left over. 1 over 3, so 5 and 1/3. Some of you will probably be moving more towards the doing it in your head today than yesterday, okay, because you're a little bit more comfortable with it now. All right, let's do another example here. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, sometimes you might not have anything left over. Okay, so it can be a very nice little problem. Let's just start off really easy. So 4 over 2. Okay, so how many 2's go into 4? Well, it goes in 2 whole times. Is there anything left over? No. So the answer is just 2. You would not write your mixed number like that. Okay, the answer would just be 2 because 2 goes into 4 2 whole times. Okay, sometimes you will have an exact example. In fact, today in one of your assignment and one of your answers, I think it's only one, it could be more than one, you will have just it goes in evenly perfect. Okay, so if it was 10 over 2, 2 goes into 10 5 times, the answer is 5 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. There's nothing left over. Do not write the fraction 0 over a denominator. Okay, we don't see that. That's because that's nothing. The answer would just be 2 or 5. Okay, so exact examples, that's one of those, that's a gift. You know how I told you that sometimes you get those in math? This would be a gift. Okay, 15 over 3, it would just be 5. Let's do one more, and then I'm going to let you get started on your assignment. Let's do 1 over 6, and let's just say, let's do 47. Okay, so thinking of my multiplication facts, I know that 6 times 7 is 42, and 6 times 8 is 48. So 48 is too much. So 6 will go into 47 7 whole times. Okay, that's 42. So what's left over from 42 to 47 would be 5. 47 minus 42 is 5. Over your denominator that stays the same is 6. So let's check our work here. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 5 is 47 over 6. So my answer is, this is not an exact example, sorry, that was just copied from last one. So 47 6 matches 47 6, so your answer is 7 and 5 6. You guys did a really good job typing your answers into your Google form yesterday. You're gonna do it exactly the same again today. All right, guys, so you've got these 2 pages are the homework pages for this lesson. Now remember, you've already done some of these on page, um, 421 when you went from the other way, mixed to improper, so you'll see some work on there. So just pay attention to the numbers that I'm asking you to answer, okay? And this is linked, so just click on, your Google form and it'll take you there, or excuse me, click on this picture of your Google form and it'll take you to the Google form to type in your answers, okay? And please do not forget to watch these 3 videos. They are very good. They break it down a little more for you so you do see exactly what you're, how you're getting what you're getting, okay? How we're making 7/4 into 1 3/4. All right, guys, I hope you have a good day. See you soon. Bye.